Hey good people, welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Talim. So today in this video I am gonna show you how to stake your CRO tokens and earn 13% APY on CRO tokens, and this APY is not available on any exchange in the world. So you will get 13% APY on that exchange that I will gonna show you today. So make sure to like the video and subscribe to this channel so that you will not miss any amazing video like this on my channel. So let's start. Okay, so yesterday OKs just announced that they will allow CRO staking in their exchange, and you can earn up to 13%, 13.2% APY on OKX exchange, and this APY is not available on crypto.com exchange. Okay, so let's start and I will show you step by step process how to stake your CRO tokens. Okay, so first of all you have to create account on OKX exchange. I have given the link in the description, so make sure to create account through my link and you will get $20 free when you deposit $100 worth of crypto in your account. Okay, so make sure to create account through my link in the description so that you can get $20 completely free. So I will open the OK's app, and so here you can see the interface of OKX exchange. So OKX is one of the best crypto exchanges in the world. So you can see this interface. So here you can see I have logged in here. So okay, so make sure to select the pro version. Okay, this is light version of the OKX exchange. Make sure to click on here and make sure to select this option. Okay, so make sure to select the pro option. Okay, so here you can see the earn option. You have to click on earn option, and here you can see all the available coins that are available to stake on OKX exchange and see their APY rate. Okay, so here are the different sections. Here are savings, staking, DeFi, flash deals, is 2.0, dot slot auction, and Jumpstart, and these are the features of the OKX exchange. And here you can see CRO token. Here you can see CRO token, and you can earn up to 13.2% APY on CRO for 90 days, and that's insane APY you can get on this exchange. So in this video I will also stake my CRO token. So if you don't able to find CRO here, you can actually search here. You can actually search in the top bar, and you can search CRO, and you can see the CRO staking well. Okay, so here there are 5 different ways you can stake your CRO token. So first option is in this first option you will get 13.2% APY if you stake your CR tokens for 90 days, and this is low risk. Okay, so in the second option you will earn 10.80% APY for 60 days, and in the third option you will earn 8.4% APY. Okay, so these are the different offers you can get on OKX exchange. So I will prefer you that you stake your CR token in the first option. Okay, so let's say I click on this option. Okay, so I have to click on subscribe, and here this page will open, and here you can see all the terms, all the conditions here. Okay, so you can see I have available 101 CRO tokens. So I will click on all my max tokens, and you can see I will get 0.036 CRO per day for 90 days, and that's insane. So if you have 1000 CRO tokens, for example, so you will earn 0.3 CRO per day for 90 days, and that's huge passive income you can earn on your CRO tokens. So here are the details. Your subscription will start if you start today. So your subscription will start today, and you will get rewards from tomorrow. Okay, and from tomorrow, and this offer will expire on 6 April 2022. Okay, so if you stake CRO tokens here, your subscription will end on you can see here 6 April 2022. So I will stake my CRO here. You can see I just click on subscribe, and you can see the subscription amount, term, and APY, and you can see I will get 0.03% CRO per day. So I have to click on here. Make sure to read this agreement if you want. Okay, so I will click on continue, and you can see I have successfully subscribed to the CRO. Okay, so here you can see that my earnings in the my earnings section. So if you want to see that where are your crypto tokens that you have staked, so just click on my earnings, and here you can see all the tokens that you are staking right now. Okay, so in this option you can see that I have earned 000 CRO today. So I will get my earning from yesterday. Okay, so if you want to redeem or if you want to unstake CRO token, you just have to click on redeem. Okay, so if you want to unstake, you just have to click on the redeem option. So okay, so I will not do redeem, and I am going to stake CRO. Okay, so if you want to redeem, you just have to click on redeem, and your CRO tokens will be returned to your wallet in 3 days. Okay, so redemption period is 3 days, so make sure to note this. Okay, so now I just take my 101 CRO tokens on exchange, OKX exchange, and you can see this is pretty much APY you can earn on CRO. So make sure to if you like the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and make sure to create account through my link so that you will get $20 free. Okay, so when you create account, you just have to do this simple tasks. Okay, so in this you can earn up to $20 completely free. So that's all in this video. I will meet you in my next video. Take care.